Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody posted this on Facebook. Somebody's already answered them, and I've done videos on just this, but there's two ways to do it. And I really like this effect, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So type out your text, and in this case, these words are the same length. So we're going to go to Object and break the word apart. We're going to just evenly make this 2 inches with my ratio lock so it doesn't alter the other side. And then we're going to make this 2 inches. So these text is a little bit littler, which I think it is in this case. I'm going to go ahead and make duplicates of this because I'm going to do it 2 different ways. The first, and somebody did already mention the envelope tool, which is 100% correct. So what we're going to do now is hit L to kind of put that together. And then we're going to grab this envelope tool that's in your toolbox. And I need to have an item selected. Envelope tool. I would immediately take away these 2 nodes. I would select it all and right-click and turn them into a line. And then with the envelope tool, you can do, I mean, you can just do whatever you want to do because you've got straight lines. Now, I don't particularly know if this is what you want, but see how I didn't turn that into straight lines and I've got curved lines? And there's several things up there that I'm kind of messed with because I converted them to a line. So I'm going to convert these to a line. So it takes out of the fact your normal envelope. But how much do you go? You know, how far do you go and what do you want it to look like? I think this is the best way to do it. It's more, everything's perfectly even. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, and then I'm going to get the polygon tool, and I am going to draw with a 4-sided polygon, kind of draw a diamond shape. I'm going to select them both and hit CE, and that put it in the middle. Now I do need this to be the same size, so I'm going to make my polygon 4 inches. And I'm going to make my rectangle 4 inches. Now I should have no leaks. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, fill that in and move it over, fill that in and move it over. I am going to take it all. I'm going to left click, right click. So basically what we have is 2 different vessels here. And at this time, you could actually space them out, whatever space you wanted. Let's change our nudge factor like to 1/4 of an inch. And let's raise that one up. Well, 1/4 inch is a lot, but let's go, let's just go 0.1. Now take the copy we did and use the other envelope tool that is in your Docker. Go to Effects, Envelope, pick this one right here, which is straight line mode. Create a from envelope form and put it in there. Look at that. I did the wrong word. I need to put it down here. And then take this one, just reselect it. You're still in that mode and put it up here. Now, very easily, hold down the shift and select this and go EC. Select that, hold down the shift, select EC. Take away your boxes. And to me, you have now it might be too sharp, you know, too sharp of a point. You know, I could have made my box not as sharp. Let's just back up here before we did anything. And because it is a polygon, nope. It's not a polygon anymore. Oh, there's there's nothing there. The polygon is gone. So let's even back up further to where we had that polygon. There we go. So if we click on it, it should stay. It's a polygon, so we could take the shape tool, and when we move that in, yeah, you know, it's not working. It's you could take away nodes, but it's actually making it. Let's tell you what, all you have to do is go to Object and convert it to a curve, and then you could hold down the control button. It'll get you in a perfect line, and then you could actually, so what you'd want to do in this case to make them equal, let's change our nudge factor like 0.05. Take your shape tool, grab that node and nudge it down. Grab that node and nudge it up. So now, let's actually nudge it up twice and down twice. So now you're not going to have this sharp. And then just do the same thing with the Smart Fill tool. Fill that in. Remember I changed my nudge factor. Let's get rid of this. I think this is 4 inches. We'll make our nudge factor 5. Smart Fill. Left click, right click. And then once again, you could move it up manually by holding another control button. Thankfully, I made another copy of the text so we don't have to retype it. Same thing, backyard, pick the straight line mode, put it there. Grill, straight line mode, and put it there. And then hold down the shift key and select the bottom one and hit EC or CE, doesn't really matter. And there you have it. I think it looks pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.